Hello students! In this video, we're going to learn about an exciting part of our language called pronouns. Let's learn together. Pronouns are special words that replace naming words, also known as nouns. They help us avoid saying the same names over and over. Some common examples are he, she, it, I, and you, they, those, etc. Now, let's learn the types of pronouns. First is the singular pronoun. These replace singular nouns. For example, Olivia is riding her bicycle. Here, her replaces Olivia. Then, plural pronoun. These replace plural nouns. For example, come play with us. Here, us is used because there are multiple people. Next is the personal pronoun. These identify the speaker or person. For example, I love to draw. Here, I is the speaker. Lastly, we have possessive pronoun. These show ownership. For instance, this book is hers. Here, hers shows that the book belongs to someone. Let's see how pronouns work in sentences. Julian was happy because he got a gift. Here, he replaces Julian. Where are they going? Here, they is used for a group of people. Now it's your turn to answer. What kind of pronouns replace multiple naming words? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 2 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.